In this video, we're making Eggless Chewy chocolate chip cookies, which are so easy to make and they taste really delicious. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need to make them. So first off, to a bowl, add in your flour and the baking soda and mix those together. Then you're going to heat up your butter in a microwave or on a stove until it is melted. You just want it to melt, so make sure it does not burn. Then mix it lightly just to make sure there are no lumps. Then to this, add in both your sugars. And beat them for 2 to 3 minutes till you have a nice creamy mixture. Then add in your milk and mix it in. Finally, add in your vanilla and mix that in as well. Then you're going to add in the flour mixture. Then mix the flour in with a spatula. About halfway through, you can add in your chocolate chips and mix them into the dough. And your cookie dough is ready. Take a greased baking tray and scoop out 1 tablespoon of the cookie dough onto it. Place them about 1 inch apart onto the baking tray. And then bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. I like to only keep them for 12 minutes so that they're nice and chewy. But if you bake them for longer, they will get a bit more crispy. And once they are done, place them on a wire rack and let them cool completely. I never really have the patience to wait for these to cool, so I love to dig in while they're hot. You can see that the cookie is nice and golden brown. And here is a bite into the cookie. The center is so gooey and chocolatey and buttery. Pair these with some tea or coffee and you are set for the evening. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do let me know if you try them and make sure to stay subscribed for more recipes. I will see you soon. Bye.